Hello guys, welcome to Learn It Today YouTube channel. Today we are going to design a laser cut tapped house using Inkscape. Let's get started. First of all, let's change the document size. And I'm going to make it 550 by 400 millimeters. And I'm going to use grids in millimeters. And I'm going to make it 10 millimeters each grid. Major grid line will be every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start with this shape. I'm going to draw a rectangle first. 3 sections by 5 sections. I don't need, in fact, fill color, but I am going to use it for now. Let's make it blue. Stroke also we can make blue. It's going to be a tapped house, that's why I'm going to prepare the joints. Let's prepare one more here, vertical. We can select it and Command D in order to duplicate it and move it here. Command D. This one, Command D. Move it here. And Command D. Move it here, and this one we can take here. This is ready, but we need to combine them. I am selecting them, and after that path and union, and it's now like one object. This part is ready. Now I'm going to make this one. The bottom part will be rectangle, that's why I'm going to draw a rectangle here. 3 by 5 rectangle will be. It's going to be 5, not 6. Okay, let's take a copy of this one, Command D. Let's move it, for example, down. Okay, now this one I'm going to make red in order to show it to you how it's going to work. So I am moving it here. Let's take this one to the top. We can select them now, and we can use path and difference, and you see that we have that part ready. And the same thing we can do from the other side. So Command D and move it there. Let's make it red, and let's select them, or keeping press shift key you can select them. Path and difference. The same thing we can do now from the bottom part. They have the same shape, that's why I can take this one, Command D. I can flip it vertically, and I can take it here. Let's make it red, and shift and click, select them, path and difference. You'll see that it is ready now. The bottom part is ready. The upper part, I have a triangle there. I am going to draw a triangle. Let's draw a triangle here. The stroke color is stroke color also will be red. So we have the triangle now. Let's add the joints also to the triangle. Command D to copy it, and the angle of this triangle, let's measure that first, and this will be 50.19. yes, I'm going to rotate its object, transform and rotate. Let's make it 50, it's okay, I think. So from that side, Command and one more, Command D, minus 50, and let's select them, keeping press shift key. This one also select and union. Okay, let's make it a little smaller. 18 by 38, and Command D, Command D, but the upper parts will be a little different, in fact, that's why we're going to make them a little bit later. Command D, Command D. Okay, now I am going to draw a circle 4 by 4. If we think about that, I'm going to draw a circle here. In fact, it's enough to have only half part. And now we can select them, and we are going to take the intersection. Yes, intersection, and I'm going to copy it now. Command D. And this one, let's draw the bottom part. That's only will be 2 by 2. The width will be 18. Command D. Command D. Let's flip it horizontally, and Command Z, and that's also comes here. You can make it a little taller width, but also height 19, maybe even 18. Yeah. Okay. So Command D, flip horizontally, and these ones also we can delete, and Command D and put it here. Yeah, I think it's okay now, but the bottom part, the bottom one is not correct. Now it's okay. Yeah. Let's select them, and let's use exclusion. So lastly, the bottom part. Here, this bottom part, the thickness of the plywood is 3 millimeter. I think the width can be done 4 millimeters, so they can go in so easily. So let's think about the bottom part. Here we have the sides and front and back. They are all 5 sections, so 5 by 5 it's going to be. That's why I'm going to draw it like this. Let's move it up one section, and I'm going to move it one section. On one section I am going to make it bigger. Let's make it. Let's draw a joint. Height will be 4 millimeters. Width is, yeah, it's already 41, so I'm going to make it red. So this one will be here. Command D, here. Select them, Command D, and it's going to be here. From the other side also we need them. Command Z, and let's rotate it. Command Z, Command Z. I think these ones should be inside. Yeah, we are selecting all of them and using exclusion method. We have a problem here. They must be on the other side. Yeah, let's take it. Command D. Okay, now let's select them and let's make union. We can remove the fillings. I'm selecting first. Let's remove this. I'm selecting the elements. After that, fill color I am removing, and stroke color, let's make set stroke. Also stroke style, we can make hairline. Our laser cutter uses hairline, and after that we can save it. That's all for today. Today we learned how to design a laser cut tapped house using Inkscape. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.